everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mayra and you're watching METV. I just filmed my previous video. This is my 2020 planner, so I will link down below that video so you can watch all the inserts and how this planner looks like on the inside. This is not a planner channel. If you are new, just by the way, my name is Mayra Etayo and I've owned and operated my own marketing business for 20 plus years, and I help direct sellers and home-based businesses stay organized and grow their business with tips and tools. And for me, there's nothing more important than the beginning of a new year and really the end of the previous year to get my planner together and start putting systems together that are going to help me organize my entire life, my business, my two businesses, the things I volunteer for, my social calendar, which is, not much, but then also my mom life, right? So I wanted to share with you my January spread. I wrote a few things in it, but not too many, because I wanted to just show you how I decorated it. And then I'll come back and show you after the pen when I do next month. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. All right, so this is, I think I mentioned it, the Websters Color Crush Mint Floral in the A5 size. And this is my January. If you didn't watch the previous video, I just showed how the months in this planner, they come plain, the month divider. So I decided to add my own flair. So I made my own dashboard here. I think I'm going to use this as a currently page or maybe some memory planning. I haven't even decided yet. I just started putting stickers in here because I thought they were cute. Okay. One of the questions I do get, by the way, a lot is how do you have time to do this? So I'll give you one tip. Here's my tip of the day. Okay guys, my tip of the day is I take my planner, my supplies that I want for that month. I sit down in front of the TV or sometimes just quietly in my office. I'm either watching movies or YouTube videos, and I decorate my planner for the month. I don't pull out all this stuff every week or every day. I do not have time for that. I decorate for the entire month. It gets my it's a creative outlet for me. It does help me start organizing my thoughts for the month, what I need to do that month, what needs to get accomplished, and I love it. And then I have a beautiful planner to look forward to for the whole month without me stressing about decorating it. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm running a business. I don't have time for that. So if that helps you, that's what you can do once a month. For some people, it works to do it once a week. So whatever works for you, you guys, just don't stress out. You can use more stickers, less stickers, or no stickers on some weeks. I just think that having a beautiful planner like this one, so beautifully designed, I'll show you some of the pages, that you don't need a lot of stickers. If you don't have time for that, it's already designed for you. But anyway, let's move on to January. So in January, like I said, I'm going to use this either as a memory keeping or a currently page. Not sure what I want to use it for, but I'll figure that out. This is my at a glance for the month. I haven't written too much. What I did write was kind of stuff that I have going on, like the bigger events in there. So I kind of use this for my appointments, for my direct sale business, meetings, anything of that sort. Okay, I've created a to-do list for myself. Again, it would be great if I could check all of this off in 1 week. One of the things I like to do that I definitely did in my Heidi Swap planner from last year this was one of my favorite things about this planner. I loved this dashboard in the Heidi Swap because it had 2 checklists. And what I did was I divided my business with my personal. And that way I could focus on my important monthly to-dos for my business and my important monthly to-dos for personal. So I like that system. It worked for me. I'm going to find a way to put that into this planner as well. Okay. Menu planning. I haven't even started writing anything down, but I have started planning my menu. So I just have to jot in for this first week. I have to fill that in. And then, well, the days that are left, and then keep going. All right, so here's my weekly planner. This is a horizontal layout, like I showed in my previous video. And I kind of went with a gold and black motif. I didn't intend on doing that. Kind of more intended to keep with the floral, but sometimes my head just starts going, and the next thing I know, I've created a motif for the entire month, and there we go. All right, so here's week 1. We're already past week 1, so I didn't want to write anything. I'll probably go back and just write down some of the major things that I accomplished this week, my miles in my car for my business, things like that, kind of stuff that I keep in my planner. This is what I've done for week 2. And I know somebody will ask, or they might ask, most of these stickers you're going to find in the, let me see if I have one sitting on my desk. And these stickers, which are the Me and My Big Ideas sticker books. None of these stickers came from this particular book, but this is the kind of book you can find these at Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or on the Happy Planner website, and you can order those there. That's where the majority of these came from. This sticky note is from the Target Dollar Spot. This sticker is from the Reflections sticker books. Is that it? Yeah, pretty much. And then these page flags right here are not actually page flags. They are washi tape that I cut with the ribbon end and made into like a little banner. And then I just cleaned it up with a strip of washi across the top. So that is week 2. Week 3. And as you can see, I have no idea. I mean, I have some idea what my appointments are, but I don't know what my to-do lists are going to be, 2 weeks from now. So I leave it blank and I just decorate. I just decorate and then I move on. I make my to-dos fit into whatever I've decorated. And if I need more space, that's why we have inserts and, little lists like this that you can add, and sticky notes and all that kind of fun stuff. All right. This is the next week, again with the gold and the black. I love the way this one came out. I don't know. Do I love them all? I don't know. I like this one a lot. This might be my favorite. I love the way that one came out. And then the last page was a little weird. It's so funny. Every time you start a new planner, it takes a minute for you to like breathe in and adjust your design style. I know that sounds crazy. You probably think, oh, I'm not that serious about it. Trust me, your mojo, like every time you switch planners, it takes a minute to kind of figure out, how do I make this look pretty? So this one was a little weird for me. It doesn't look like much on the page, but it was weird for me. Because in all my other planners, when the month ended, whether I had, see, like here, I had 3 more spaces left, right? But I didn't use them. I didn't start the next month here. I went ahead and started the next month on the next one, on the right date. But see how much spaces you lose? So I'm trying it out for at least the first month or 2, where I started off where it ends. We're just to see how that works. So I didn't want the gold and black because it starts with Valentine. So I kind of made it a little more neutral and incorporated the pink. I don't know, you guys. You can decorate your planners however. You can put Hello Kitty all over the place. You can doodle. You can bullet journal. You can do whatever floats your boat, right? You can try it all. But this is what I'm trying this year. And then what I'll do is I'll take this page and move it over into the February insert when that time comes. Does that make sense? So I technically have already started February. And I don't hate that idea, because what would happen to me a lot of times is I might not get to decorating right away, and then I was having to go back and decorate. This way I just add the first couple of days while I'm already decorating the previous month, and that way I start off with a decorated month, which a lot of times that's not always happening. But yeah, there you go. That's my January. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.